What's up, guys? I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Sniper EFI. I bought the Holley 2, even though the box doesn't say Holley 2, it just says Holley Sniper. But here's why. This is the Terminator EFI. I bought this back in like 2017 and set it on the shelf brand new in the box. I installed it on the car this month and the software was bad. Sent it in to Holley, they said they couldn't fix it, the ECU that is, and they're sending it back to me now. Said it would be $1,600 to replace. Wasn't going to do that. They don't make this anymore, so they don't seem to support it very well. I was scared to invest more money into it. So I'm going to unbox this, but first, this little part, I don't know if that's going to zoom for you, but 558-493, it's a little harness. This needed to interface with the Holley Dual Sync distributor. So this will hook into the Dual Sync distributor and give it the right connection and output to run this, or to allow the Holley Sniper to control timing. All right, open this pretty thing up. There were some improvements from the Sniper to the Sniper 2, one of which is they moved the computer on it to the side. The original one had it in the front. I have a Mopar big block, and some of the Fords have the same issue. Our distributors are in the front, and that was causing interference with the computer. Holley said that that's greatly reduced with this throttle body. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it appears that this is the Sniper 2 because it's on the side, but it doesn't say Sniper 2. It just says Holley Sniper EFI. I thought it would have said Sniper 2. Okay. Let's see if I can unwrap these cords. There we go. All the cords sneak out the back. It's got a couple fuel bowl looking areas right here covering the fuel inlet. Here's the computer off to the side. Here's the front. Let's see. Comparison. Mechanism's a good bit different. Looks like it has more versatility. More stuff going on for sure. I'd have to measure, but it looks a little bit bigger, but I can't tell from the inside of the ports. There's the size difference. I don't know. I like the looks of this better for some reason. I don't know. This is going to have to grow on me. Probably because I've been looking at this for so long sitting on the car that I should have gone with the black. The finish on this isn't the greatest. It's got little marks in it. It could be polished out for sure. What else did we get? Here's the wiring harness. Now I will tell you, this is significantly smaller than the Terminator wire harness. So the Terminator has an external computer, and it had a big chunk of wiring going to it. 2 huge looms just to cover all that wiring. It does come out in the back, but I had it going all over the car. This is going to cut the wiring at least in half. At least in half for sure. Got an instruction manual, of course. And what's in here? Okay. A little bit more wiring and stuff. Here's the handheld. It's the same size, probably the same exact thing in there as the Terminator. So I'll be able to mount it in the same place I made. I made a custom little mount in the ashtray. So you pull the ashtray down and this is mounted inside of it. They did change this connector though, which is nice. This one looks like it'll fit through my grommet and firewall a lot easier. New O2 sensor. unfortunately a different plug, so a different plug than the Terminator had, so I'm going to have to replace my O2 with this O2. It's okay though. New temp sensor, it looks to be a larger diameter. Yeah, the other one was a 1/8. That's okay though, not a big deal. Pretty little sticker. Show you what I'll do with that on the short. Back in the day with my 68 Plymouth, I believe I put all the stickers on the quarter window, but now I have a red Craftsman toolbox that I mounted in the trunk, and I put all the stickers on it. I'm always excited for some stickers. Okay, this one, instead of just giving you a little weld-in bung, they give you a gasket and a bung with 2 clamps for your exhaust, so that you can just clamp that bad boy on if you don't feel like welding it. They recommend welding around that though. I've already welded one in. Ooh, if I'm a guessing man, I believe this is the wire harness to control either the fans or the air conditioner shutoff. All 3 actually. So one of those will be the fans, one will be the, I think that's what that is. A couple new gaskets. And warranty card. Now this is going to be important. The warranty, I called them and asked. I order from Summit Racing all the time. I love Summit Racing. They give me a veteran's discount when I call in. Summit Racing covers 60 days and Holley covers 1 year. So do your warranty card, get your year coverage. Looks like I have a stylus and some stickies too. I don't use the stickies, I use the Velcro. Anyway, that's all there is to it. I'm going to slap this stuff in the car this week, and I should be cranking and breaking that cam in on the big block. I'm going to try to do a time-lapse video of that. So here's our EFI. Someone has marked off in here and put an end down, so quality control, I assume. Looks good, feels smooth. I'll put it on there and take some pictures, send them to my buddies.